Science was never supposed to become this crazy.
Welcome to the craziest laboratory on YouTube.
Electricity never sleeps. I'm Volt. Physics secretly controls everything. Physics controls things. They're even not in his sources.
I'm Flora, and biology is way scarier than monsters. Tiny things can destroy entire worlds.
Name's Nitro. If it can explode, I probably touched it. Chemistry isn't magic. It's dangerous.
I'm Terra, and geography decides who survives. You think geography is boring? That's adorable.
Should I press it?
Life mutates.
Things explode! Energy spreads! The planet remembers.
4 scientists.
And this is the
Craziest science channel!
on YouTube. New experiments every week.